we are all done with the house. We don't have to go back. Thank God for that. I was itching to get back on the road again. So behind the wheel, van's on the back. Let's do it. So first stop, we're going to head to a hip camp at Minimbah, just near Nabiac. It's meant to be on the river, meant to be a beautiful spot. So we'll go and check that out before we start kicking off north back to Queensland.
Yeah. So Minimbah is about 3.5 hours north of Sydney.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's just off the freeway, pretty much, like on the highway. So nice and easy stretch, and apparently it's got a boat ramp. You can access the waterway in at Forster Tuncurry. So yeah, we're not going to put the boat in, I don't think. It's only there for one night, but you can fish off the bank, apparently, in a big dam. So yeah, we'll go check it out.
And if you're in the area, we're going to head down there ourselves right now to the Nabiac Artisan Farmers Market. It's just off the highway. Do a sick feed in there.
They
so
do.
We'll go and check that out. And yeah, call into that one because it's pretty cool.
And they have a lot of like natural farmers market kind of things. So heaps of little goodies that you can get that all are made local. So we'll stock up on some things while we're there.
It was $55 a night for us, so it's about $40 and then $5 each for the kids. I've got a little toilet over here in front of me, and if we weren't here for only one night, I will be getting the boat off, putting it in the river, because you can go from here all the way to Forster Tuncurry, which in my opinion has one of the best waterways on the East Coast. Go 3-year-old. See ya. I worry about you all the time. Walking trails with slides, dams, everything.
You want to keep going?
Yeah, I want to see what else is up there. Okay, let's go.
Let's do it. Come up.
So we've just been informed that if we go for a short walk from camp, there's actually a heap of animals like Highland cows, some brand new baby piglets and all sorts of stuff. So we're going for one to go and check it out. Go for a walk along the river, follow the arrows up there. Horses. Some duckies over there. Here's the real animals. Got enough for you, sorry. Got no food. So we've just checked out all the animals. Gonna get back, light a fire. Ash is cooking Mongolian lamb.
I am. In a thermo.
Sounds delicious. And they're just gonna make us some homemade banana ice cream.
Yep.
I'm excited for that. Sounds fantastic. Are you guys excited for that?
Yeah, we already had strawberry ice cream, now it's banana.
What do you guys think of this place?
Good.
Is it good? What do you like the best?
The water.
Yeah, you've been swimming all day.
Yeah, probably the inflatable trampoline. In the hit.
See it
On
when
the dam.
In the dam.
You'll see it when we go past. Look, it's this
show you.
white and blue thing. You'll see when we go past. Look. You'll see. You'll see. Yeah, there's this white thing on the side, and then there's a slide, and there's a balance beam on it.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, Dad nearly popped the whole thing.
Pretty clever. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Watch him do that.
He squirts it out.
Yeah. And just attaches it exactly where he wants it. It is even, isn't it? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Tell Jess to come have a look.
Hey Jess, come have a look at this.